Welcome back, language explorers. Today we are diving into a magical adventure where Russian words come alive inside the story. You'll meet Anna, her friend Ivan, and discover how 10 new words can open doors to imagination, culture, and connection. Let's begin our journey. One day, Anna found an old kniga in her dorm. It was full of stories about a magical gorod where people spoke every язык in the world. She showed the book to her best друг Ivan at школа. Their учитель encouraged them to read it together. As время passed, Anna and Ivan dreamed of going on a real путешествие. They imagined tasting delicious еда from different cultures and meeting new friends along the way. And that's the end of Anna and Ivan's adventure for now. You have just learned 10 Russian words in context. Книга, город, друг, школа, учитель, язык, время, дом, еда, and путешествие. Try using them in your own sentences and share them in the comments. Remember, every word is a step closer to mastering a new language. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep dreaming in Russian and English. Every word is a step closer to the world.